Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside the CVS. Yes, I know for all of you guys I'm a day late. And these are good, like the sunlight is just not good today. But yeah, sorry I'm a day late. I worked all weekend. I was doing overtime to help cover, and then I barely slept all weekend. I just couldn't sleep. And then yesterday I was just, after working a 13-hour shift, I was just exhausted and not tired, and I was like, you know what, I'll take the day off. And we had this severe winter storm going on where I lived. By the time I was like laying down, it stopped snowing. Like, it was fine outside, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to bed anyway, just a sign. And then I slept for 3 hours. I woke up, could not get back to sleep to save my life, so I was up for another 4 hours, and I was like, oh, I should go to CVS, but I just didn't. I should have, but whatever, it is what it is. So we are here today and we have some really good deals, and we have a like super amazing savings on for the spend 30 get 10 deal. So we'll go over a few different options of items you can grab for that deal, and there is a printable breakdown just in case you want to edit it to take to the store with you if you haven't been to CVS yet this week. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, hype the video. Since I'm a day late, I could use the little extra boost. Sorry guys. I know I beg for it all the time, and I feel bad for asking for you guys to do it. But yeah, that's it. So without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have a really good deal on diapers this week. It's on Huggies, Pull-Ups, or Good Nights. So you're gonna look for, or they are also 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you'll get $5 in extra bucks. You're gonna look for the Snug and Dry products, and you're gonna grab one package of the size you need. Then you're gonna come to the pull-up section, and you're gonna grab a bag of pull-ups. You can grab the boys or the girls. So for example, these would be 2 products you would need. If you don't need the pull-ups now, you might need them in the future, or you can use those during the day and those at night. But regardless, your total will be $20. I don't personally have any digital coupons on my account, but check yours, you might. So I would pay $20 at the register. We're going to take a receipt, submit it to Ibotta for $1 back on the pull-ups, and then we're going to submit to Shopkick. On Shopkick, we have 875 kicks for the Snug and Dry, which is equal to $3.50. And then on the bag of pull-ups, we have an offer for 850 kicks. So 875 and 850. So this one is $3.40. So we'll get a total of $6.90 from Shopkick for both offers. Plus we'll get the $5 extra buck for spending $20, making them $7.10 for both. So we have really good savings on Crest, Oral-B, and Scope products if it's a brand or products you like. They're on promotion for buy 3, get $5 in extra bucks, and they're on sale for $3.99. So you can grab something like these Oral-B toothbrushes, or you can come grab some of the Crest toothpaste, or if you prefer, you can grab the small Scope mouthwashes that are included. So for example, these would be 3 products you could grab. Like I said, you can mix and match and grab whatever 3 you like. So if you want to grab 3 toothpaste or 3 toothbrushes, you can do whatever your heart desires. Grabbing the 3 products, your total will be $11.97. We have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon, so that means you'll pay $6.97 at the register. Get the $5 extra buck for buying 3, make them $1.97 for all 3 products. Now, in my opinion, this isn't the best deal with the toothbrush and the toothpaste, because we usually get them either free or super cheap, but we don't get that many good deals on Scope. So if you're going to do this deal, I would personally grab 3 of the Scope. We have really good savings on OGX products this week, so I know we have those massive ones that were really cheap, but if you weren't able to grab them, you can grab this deal. So right now they are buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 2 get $4 in extra bucks. They're $8.99 for the smaller bottles at my store. So one at full price, one at 50% off will be $13.48. We have a $6 off of 2 digital coupon plus a $1 CRT. You'll pay $6.48 at the register, get the $4 extra buck for buying 2, make them $2.48 for both. Check your store for secret clinical clearance. We have 50% off. This one is only 30% off, but we have a $7 off of 2 digital coupon, and I believe we have Ibotta rebates as well. Even for 30% off, maybe I would have considered it, but my store only has one, unfortunately, so I can't even do the deal. But check your store, scan them all. I scanned this one and this one because all the ones that are clearance looks like they're the same price point. Unfortunately, these two did not ring up as clearance. So keep an eye out for the Dove whole body as well. 40 and 50% off plus one of the men. We don't have any digital coupons that I have on my account, but just keep an eye out. Plus we have some good clearance on the Degree whole body if that's like products that you like. We also have Old Spice total body clearance 50% off. We currently have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon plus $2 on each one on Ibotta. So it will be $8 and 48 cents for both after the coupon and the rebates. Also 75% off on some razors and refills. So we have a little money maker going on if your store has this in stock. This on these Nivea lip care items. They're $4.19 and they're buy two, get $4 in extra bucks. So you're going to grab two of them for $8.38. I actually thought my store was out because they're so small, but they're hidden. But you'll grab two for $8.38. We have a $5 CRT that didn't pop up on my account for a while. I had to close it out because I didn't have any CRTs. I had like the move will spend CRTs, but I didn't get any like dollar off. Like the OGX one didn't show up right away or anything, which I thought was weird. So I closed my account, and then I waited like half an hour and signed back in. I like reopened it, and they were all there. So I don't know, if you're not seeing them this week, close your account, wait a little bit, reopen the app. Anyway, you will pay $3.38, get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making them a 62-cent money maker. So for this next deal, you're going to need the Neutrogena makeup wipes that come on the Neutrogena makeup end cap. My store doesn't stock those products, and I actually didn't realize it until I went for that end cap, and it's no longer there. These products in the aisle do not work because, as you can see, these are 25 count and you need the 21 counts. So for that deal, they are spend $12, get $7 in extra bucks. So the makeup wipes, now this is using the online price, which might be different than your in-store price, so I'm sorry if it's not the correct price, but they're $6.59 online, so grabbing two will be $13.18. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $10.18 at the register, get the $7 in extra bucks for spending $12, making them $3.18 for 2 packs. We have great savings on Burt's Bees products, so they are buy two, get $4 in extra bucks, and it's on the facial care stuff. The cheapest items to grab are these sheet masks, and there's plenty of different ones to choose from, and it looks like most of them are $3.89. So if you grab two of the $3.89 price, your total will be $7.78. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so you'll pay $6.28 at the register, get the $4 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $2.28 for both. Alright, so we have the spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks this week, and there's just so many different options. So let's go over some of my personal favorite ones, and some of these coupons do repeat on the Coupons 24 app. Also, if you are lucky enough to get one of those PG flyers in the mail, we do have some paper coupons as well. So there's plenty of ways to save, and hopefully if your store does not accept the Coupons 24 app and you wanted to do extra coupons, that you did get the flyer in the mail. So the first option you can grab is one of the Dawn Power Plushes. Power Wash. I don't know why I said Power Plus. They anyway, they're on sale for $5.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon, or you can grab the Power Suds. These are also $5.99 with a $2 digital coupon. Another great option is the Febreze plug warmer box thing. It's on sale for $9.99, so you're saving almost $4 right away. But the booster has a $5 digital coupon, or you can grab some of the Febreze plugs. There's no digital coupons for that, but to grab extra savings on these is great, especially if you like them. Another good option are the Febreze small spaces. They are on sale for $3.99, and we have a $2.50 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. Another good option are the Downy Unstoppables that are specifically 5 ounces. This one won't work, but they are on sale for $5.49, and we have a $2 digital coupon for those. For paper products, you can grab the 2 = 6 Bounty. It's on sale for $7.99, and there's a $1 digital coupon for this. Another good option is the Charmin Essentials. It is on sale for $7.99, and there's a $1 digital coupon. We also have the regular Charmin included in that $7.99 price, and there's a different digital coupon for the regular Charmin or the Essentials. And another option, there's no digital coupons for these, but I know we haven't been able to stock up on Cottonelle in a while. Cottonelle is on sale for $9.99. This is my favorite brand, but I have plenty at home of this, but this is a great option as well. Now for laundry detergent, there just doesn't seem to be that many great options, but an easy option is the Gain Flings that are $12.99. There's a $3 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. Or if you want the Tide liquid, it looks like this one is $12.99, which is usually a little cheaper. I think it's usually like $14.99 lately. But we have a $3 digital coupon for this. So for example, this would be a scenario you could put together. These 5 products total you $31.45, so we don't have to worry about the 98% rule. So we have a $2 digital coupon for the Power Wash, a $2 digital coupon for the Unstoppables, a $1 digital coupon for the Charmin, $2 digital coupon for the Power Suds, and then you can either use a paper coupon or the Coupons 24 app for the final $2 coupon. So that means you'll be left to pay $22.45 at the register. We'll give the $10 and extra bucks for spending $30, making them $12.45 for all products. If you like the Total Home wipes, you can grab this 42 count for $2.89, and we have $1 on Ibotta, making them just $1.89. We have our normal savings on General Mills cereal, but it's a great stock up price. So right now, General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.99, so you'll grab 2 that you like. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupons, so your total for both of them will be $3.98 minus the $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.98 at the register, and then you'll check your Ibotta account. You might have a 50 cents on each box or $1 when you buy 2. So you'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back, make them $1.98 for both boxes. These Well Market popcorns are on sale for just $1.99, and if you have it clipped on your Ibotta account, we have $1 back. I've scanned them all and they're not showing up, but I will go into my clipped offers and find it and scan it through there, and it's showing up. So you can grab them for just just 99 cents, or even $1.99 isn't that bad. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout did not go as planned. So unfortunately, with the Nivea lip deal, I did leave that in the video, and I told you not to do it, just because I want to talk about it. So when I put together my deals, especially with CRTs that offer tons of different brands, I'll always hit the shop more button and then kind of scroll through it, and then sometimes I'll even filter out by price to see like the cheapest options. So for some reason it had like tons of Nivea products in there, and none of them scanned in store, like, and would attach to the CRT. So I wasn't going to try for online, but I just don't understand why it wasn't working. So I was looking. Now I know the CRT doesn't specifically say for Nivea, but like it has tons of Nivea different products, so whatever. But anyway, so I was like looking specifically for the 4 or 5 brands that are listed on the CRT itself. And then I was kind of looking in that lotion aisle to see, all right, what can I grab that I might actually use? Because I don't really use lotion like that. So I was like, nothing was catching my eye. And then I know there was a little lip end cap thing, and I was looking at that because they have like Aquaphor stuff, but none of those were attached, or like the single Aquaphors weren't attaching either. Never tried Aquaphor lip products, so I don't know if I'd like them, but I was like, they seem, with a $5 CRT, they'd be reasonable enough. But then this caught my eye, and I got these on clearance at Walgreens, and I tried them. So this little foot mask is super nice, and then with the $5 CRT, I think it was like $1.99 afterwards. No, they're $6.79, so it was $1.79. These are part of like a spend $20 get $10. I wasn't gonna do that. I mean, I could have grabbed more of these. I just didn't have any other coupons or anything. So, but otherwise, this is everything I grabbed. I grabbed the Aquaphor, the Spend 30, and then the Burt's Bees masks. So that's everything. And then I had the $2 coupon 24 app for the second power wash. Then for no, I don't know what I'm saying. Then we have the $2 for the regular, the Downy Scent Booster. I am having a hard time reading today, guys. Then we have the $2 for the Dawn Power Wash, the $2 for the Power Suds. We have the $1.50 for the Burt's Bees. I couldn't read that. The $1 for the Charmin. Then I used, or this is the $5 CRT. Then I rolled $17 plus the 2% everyday stuff. So my subtotal was $13.20. So, and then for extra bucks that I did get back, I did get the $10 for Spend 30 and the $4 for the 2 Burt's Bees. So I did get back everything that I was supposed to. I just was a little surprised that the Nivea was having problems. I don't know if it's been like that since Sundays, but I don't know. I guess that's a great reason why you scan in store. Usually I'll do the deal and then scan the product if I'm gonna put it in the cart. So yeah, frustrating. And yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys have a great day. If I don't see you again, have a happy new year. Be safe. If you're going drinking or anything, make sure you have a ride home that isn't yourself. And thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.